Good morning, everyone, and very warm welcome to this webinar on e-invoice offline reporting tool. And I am your host, Naveen Agarwal. Uh, Today, in this video, what we intend to do is that we wanted to give you a first-hand demo and a first-hand view of how to use an offline tool to report a B2B e-invoice on an IRP. As as you know, currently in India, there are six IRP portals. And of this, we will give you a demo of offline tool used on all of these six IRP portal. But specifically in today's video, we will focus on uh, offline tool developed by IRP portal number 3, which is managed and run by Cygnet IRP on behalf of GSTN. And to help us with this demo and a brief overview, we have Viral and Vristi from Cygnet. Before I hand over this demo to them and the presentation to them, I will request them, both Viral and Vristi, please be steady and nice so that our audience can follow the steps which you are showing today. So over to Viral and Vristi. Viral?
Good morning, everyone. Anurag, the PPT. Thank you. So, good morning, everyone. Thank you for the introduction, Naveenji. So, we are Cygnet IRP, and as Naveenji already described, we are reachable and located at e-invoice3.gst.gov.in. This is a common place where you will be able to find all the offerings provided by Cygnet IRP. The offerings from Cygnet IRP basically considers the main IRP portal, the e-invoicing tool, the mobile app, and e-invoicing offline tool. So today we are going to walk you through the features and functionalities of e-invoicing offline tool. So it's basically a solution designed to make the process of generating and managing e-invoices simple, even without a continuous internet connection. So the main aim or main goal is to empower businesses to comply with the IRP requirements efficiently while keeping the operations running smoothly, as this can run continuously without an internet connection. And as and when you get the internet connection, you can go ahead and generate basically the e-invoices and the e-waiver. Now, next slide. Yeah. So the offline tool can be downloaded from our website, which is e-invoice3.gst.gov.in. From the same website, you'll be able to see the download link. It's simple. You can simply click and install the tool. Now, instead of just walking about the features, can we have the next slide, please? So the tool is lightweight and easy to install. Once it's set up, users can log in with their credentials and start creating invoice without depending on a constant internet connection. It supports, Anurag, can we have the next slide, please? It supports the bulk. It supports the bulk invoice uploads, making it perfect for businesses handling large transaction volumes. The offline capability means you can prepare, validate, and store invoices locally, then connect to the IRP when you are ready to upload. So this ensures the continuous business continuity and even in the low connectivity areas. So the main aim of our offline tool is to cater to the taxpayers who are at that particular place where you have low connectivity areas, or you have a need to install the tool and basically, punch in the invoices. Anurag ji, can we have the slide 3 and slide 4, please? Slide 4. Hello. 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 Hello, Anurag ji. Hello.
Yeah, please continue. Viral, please continue. I think
Yeah, that's okay. Can we have the slide number 4, please? The dashboard overview. The screen is freezed actually at the first slide. Yeah, thank you. So this is the central control panel of the tool. So as and when the user logs in, he'll be encountering with a full-fledged dashboard. At a glance, you can see the number of invoices created, those which are pending upload, and their status after IRP validation. It also provides quick links to different functionalities, such as creating a new invoice, importing data, or accessing the reports. It is a very clean, intuitive layout, which means a minimum training is needed for the users who would be using this tool. Now, coming on to the next slide, which is sales invoice listing. Here you can view all the invoices created within the tool. So whatever invoices you create, it will be visible in the tool. Invoices can be filtered by date, status, or invoice number. You can also open the invoice for editing, delete the draft invoices, or select the multiple invoices for bulk actions such as generating the invoices, generating the IRNs, or generating the e-way bills altogether. This listing view is typically designed for speed so that finance team can quickly search, verify, and act on the invoice data. Next screen, please. Thank you. So generating the e-invoice and e-way bill and QR code verification. Once invoices are ready, once you have punched in the sales invoices, you can connect the tool to the IRP to generate the invoice reference number and the associated QR code. Here in the same tool, you get an option to either generate the invoices via Cygnet IRP or NIC, whatever is desired by you. If applicable, the same interface can also generate e-way bills for the movement of goods, saving time by avoiding the duplicate entry. The built-in QR code verification, it ensures that the invoices are IRP validated and compliant. And you can even print or email them directly from the tool. To sum it up, the Cygnet IRP offline tool is a fast, simple, and is built to keep your invoicing process compliant without headache of constant internet dependency, right? It's ideal for businesses of all sizes, helping to save time, avoid errors, and maintain uninterrupted compliance. The overall TAT to generate the invoice is very less, and hence you can go up and running with punching the invoices and generation of e-invoice and e-way bill. Thank you, everyone. Now I'll hand over the screen to my colleague Brushti, who would be demoing you the registration part as well as the entire working of the e-invoicing tool. Thank you, everyone.
thank you, Viral, and Misty, over to you.
Hello everyone, good morning.
So, Vesti, before you start, before you start the demo for the offline tool, I have just one question. This offline tool is available for both Mac or Windows, or like I need to have a Windows system. What is the system requirement for using this tool? If any, you or Viral can shed some light on this.
Yeah, so it is available for Windows OS right now.
Okay.
So you can visit e-invoice3.gst.gov.in portal and click on the download. It will be a downloadable link for Windows.
Fine, fair enough.
And it
Please go
requires
ahead.
very minimal configuration, Naveen
Right,
to run
Viral.
this tool.
Yeah, yeah. I really like the interface. I think the interface is very neat, clean, and everything is very well laid out actually.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vristi, over to you, please.
Yeah. Hi everyone, I am Brushti Shah and I'll walk you through our offline Cygnet IRP invoicing tool. Let me share my screen. Yeah, as mentioned, we are reachable at e-invoice3.gst.gov.in portal. Uh, on that, you will be on our home page. Under that, you will see the section of Streamline e-invoicing with Cygnet IRP. under e-invoicing tool tab, you will be able to see the download link. Upon clicking the link, Chrome will or any other browser will be able to download the tool. After download, you can check out all the further steps: creation, login, adding GSTN, download JSON, or upload JSON. Once the tool is downloaded, you will be entering our interface. This is the login page for our tool. Here, if you are registering for the first time, simply click on create account. You will be asked your mobile number. OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP, click on verify, and you will be asked to enter the credentials that will be helpful for your login. So enter your username, email address, and create a safe password. Click on done, and you will be redirected to our login page. So this is our tool, and this is the login interface of the tool. As mentioned, enter your username and password that you have generated or created at the time of registration. If you ever forgot your password, you can click on forgot credentials to reset it. And if you have any trouble logging in, you can connect with us. Our support team will reach out to you. This is the list of GSTN screen. Here you will be able to find all your GSTNs that you want to register under your company. If you are setting up for the first time, simply click on add new GSTN, enter your GSTN, and log in on Cygnet IRP. If you prefer to use your NIC account, you can click on let me get in, and you will be further guided through that flow. Let's get back to the GSTN list. I have already added my GSTN list, so the one GSTN entered is visible here. Let's get started with the GSTN. This is the main dashboard of Cygnet Invoicing tool. Here you will be able to access all the main modules like sales invoice, outward note, company, branches, item master, account master, data import, report, and more, all on the top navigation menu bar. So below that, you will be able to see the statistics for you, where you get a quick summary of the data for your selected date range. Here you will be able to view how many companies and branches have been created, how many sales invoices and outward notes have been created, how many invoices and e-bills have been generated, or how many invoices and e-bills have been bulk processed in the tool. Also, you get a interactive dashboard widget of sales summary, GST rate-wise sales summary, and top 10 receivables table list. Let's get started with the data import module. This is the data import screen where you will be setting the import and the processed data file automation. What you need to do is you can simply click on the download button to download the sample formats available in the tool. First is standard import format, the Excel file, Cygnet NIC format A, and Cygnet NIC format D. To set up, open the settings. Under bulk processing configuration window, you will be able to find local directory configuration. Here we define input directory and output directory, the folder where we will be storing the raw data files. The output directory, the folder where the processed file will be saved. I have already added my path. Below that, you can configure multiple configurations available. You can also configure the QR code generated and the invoice PDF to your requested path. Once you have set up the automation, what the system will do here is check up your folder in regular intervals, pick up files, process them, and generate e-invoice and e-bill automatically without any manual intervention. Now let's get to the accounts master module, where accounts here means customer or vendor or the party with whom the transaction will be recorded. So here you can create, manage, and view your accounts. You can simply click on add, fill in all the details like account name, parent group, taxpayer type, and below that the lower panel will capture all your address details along with the GSTN. I have already uh, created my accounts, so let's move forward. Now let's have a look on the item master. This screen, the item master screen, basically helps you centrally manage all your products and services that you will be required for invoicing. You can define, categorize, and manage the items. You can enter the item name, type, taxability, GST rate, HSN, and you can also add the unit and the alternative unit. After that, let's move forward to the sales invoice, where we will manually create an invoice and generate e-invoice and e-way bill. Let's click on add. The voucher series is set to sales. Invoice number is automatically added. Invoice date is added. I'll change my party. Bill to and ship to details are automatically auto-populated. If you wish to mark this transaction as reverse charged cash transaction or pro forma invoice, you can choose to select so. Under the item details section, you can add the items by its name or code. Choose the drop down. Enter the rate and quantity for the item. You can see the taxable value and tax amounts have been auto-calculated. Now, you can click on save. And here you will receive a pop-up stating if you want to generate the e-invoice, e-way bill, or generate both. Or you can choose to export the JSON files or do it later. Let's click on generate invoice first. That's it. Your invoice has been generated. You can export your QR code. QR code has been exported successfully. If you wish to cancel the invoice, you can do it from here. And you can also download your invoice, print or send the invoice. So this is the listing screen for the sales invoice module. What you can do is from the actions, choose to view, edit, cancel, or generate e-way bill from IRM. Let's click and generate e-way bill. Transporter details are required for e-way bill. Let's enter that. And let's click on proceed. Upon confirmation, your e-way bill will be generated. If you choose to download the e-way bill PDF or cancel the e-way bill, that you can do from the actions. That's it. You can check the status of e-invoice and e-way bill. And from the dashboard, you can have a brief overview of what transactions, invoices and e-way bills have been generated. And for QR code verification, we have a functionality where we can verify our QR code. Let me share my screen. So under our portal e-invoice3.gst.gov.in, on the top navigation bar, we have search, verify QR code. The QR code that we have downloaded, we need to upload that. and your QR code has been successfully verified. You can check the digital signature authenticity, your document details, IRN number, IRN generation date, and basic supplier, recipient, GSTN details. So you can also verify your QR code from our mobile app, that is Cygnet IRP mobile app. You don't need to go through any haphazard. You can simply create invoice in few steps and generate e-invoices and e-way bill quickly. That's it. Thank you. This is
Uh,
our invoicing
yeah,
tool.
yeah. Thank you, Vristy. Vristy, can you hold on to the screen for a moment? I have a one or two follow-up question. Is that fine with you?
Yeah, sure. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so first of all, just wanted to, for the benefit of taxpayer, just want to tell them you can also verify any of the e-invoice QR code through GSTN e-services app. The same app is also available on Play Store and Apple iStore for both Android and iPhones, and it seamlessly works across all six IRPs. With that, obviously, one thing I saw you in the beginning, you were doing some creating some login account.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming that this login account is same as I would have been doing it on online mode on the web portal, right? On the app.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that is fine. Okay, fine. Second thing was that you did some customization and automation. So that my understanding was that it was for batch processing. Like I will keep my Excel file in that folder, and this utility will automatically will take up those
Fetch the file.
files
Correct.
a file and will help me with the further processing, right?
Absolutely
Uh,
correct. You can set
yeah.
the folder path where you will place your files, and system will automatically pick up your files and do process on your behalf.
So
Yeah.
let's say a shopkeeper or a particular taxpayer is sitting at a place, Navinji, where there is
Hmm.
no internet connection. So
Right.
there he can punch in the data in the Excel. He can keep on punching, and as and when he gets the internet connection once in a while, he can put that file into that particular folder, and rest the tool will take care of it.
Amazing. That's it's really amazing to see that. Just tell me one thing. Is what are some of the errors or some of the any things that a taxpayer should be aware of when he or she is using that this tool? Is there anything which you want to highlight in something specific if it is there? Otherwise, it is fine.
Sure. So Navinji, I'll take it up this question.
Yeah.
Uh, so basically, the prerequisite of using this tool is configuring the accounts and the items, because
Right.
these are the two primary things which basically results into the erroneous process of any e-invoice. That means if you are managing your masters correctly inside the tool and you're managing the right items into the tool, the generation of the invoices becomes very easy, it becomes very fast, and the e-invoices, as we just saw in the tool, can be generated in a single click. So these are the only two prerequisites which are there. Rest all the validation errors and other things are same as you know it
Online,
is applicable
online
with
portal.
respect to online.
Yeah. Fine. Very nice. Thank you, Viral and Vristi, for giving us this wonderful overview of offline tool. I'm sure our viewers will find this very useful. If there are any follow-up questions, we will take it from the chat and we will come back and reply to the chat later on. May not be in the live mode now. Is that fine, Viral, with you?
Yes, that's
Yeah,
perfectly
sure.
fine. And thank
Yeah.
you for the opportunity to GSTN for helping us, demonstrate the offline tool from Cygnet IRP.
Sure, sure. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank our partners from Cygnet IRP. I will also like to thank my colleague Chirag, Anurag, Jitendra from our e-invoice team for helping us organize this wonderful video demo series. In the next video, we will meet with new IRP and we will see how the offline tool works on that IRP. Till such time, thank you. Have a good day.